What is going on, guys? Today we are back working on the Power Wheels Jeep again. We picked up this old Honda 3-wheeler 250 for the motor. Turns out, once I took it apart, I realized that the motor is actually shot in it and it's absolutely no good to us. But it's not all bad news, because I'm going to take the rear end from that and mount it up in a frame so that I can at least have the full structure done for the Barbie car. We're still looking for a motor, unfortunately, but that's a job for another time. So let's cut up this 3-wheeler.
Hey, you, what's going on here? You make me feel this is the time to follow your dreams. Make your way up to the top.
Now, as you can see, 4-wheeler is stripped down to this. So now it's time to grab the front suspension and try to mock up some sort of frame connecting it all together after I figure out how long I want the thing to be. Okay, so now that the front end is officially together and welded together nicely how those bottom bars are gonna be, I have got the rear end here on the table as well. So I'm gonna make a couple frame rails connecting the two, and hopefully it'll be one piece by the end of the day. To give you guys an idea of what's going on, this bottom bar here I kept from the chassis, and it's gonna run, I'm gonna have a bar going from here, connecting it to over here somehow. Gotta make some frame rails, but yeah, it'll be coming off here, probably onto the sides of here. I don't know yet. As you can see, I made 2 frame rails, one on each side. I actually changed, this used to be clocked, it's no longer clocked because I'm redoing the frame. And then I have this cross member right here is gonna butt up right against the cross member left on the trike axle. And yeah, I'll just buck these off after it's welded, and she'll be one piece. And check it out, look, it's actually starting to look like something now. It's all one piece, the front's connected to the rear, it's got a nice chassis to start bolting everything to. And yeah, check it out. And the next step is I'm gonna get up my Dremel, start cutting up the plastic body and seeing how we can fit it onto this new chassis. So, as you can see, it actually needs to get extended a lot, like a good 20 inches, I'd say, which is fine because this is a tiny little cockpit and I'm a pretty big dude, so I wanted it longer anyways. I'm gonna cut it right down the middle, stretch it over, and let's see how it looks. Anyways, guys, that's all we have time for today. As you can tell, that thing is actually starting to come along nicely. It looks like an actual thing now, which we are super stoked for. And yeah, if you like the stuff, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.